box pistols. A great scaling option for if you don't have a full pistol yet. Now, what things to look out for. As you can see here, Paulo's hips are going to go back, his chest is going to stay up, his knees are going to come forward, and he's going to lean forward over his foot. This is going to allow him to put as much pressure as he can into the quad. Second point is the lower leg is not there to push off on the floor, it's just there to see how deep you're going. The last and maybe most important point is while you're upright and when you're going down, the knee is staying in line with the toes and it's not going inside or too far outside from that direction of the toes. Okay? Good luck.